Starting a solar panel production business. Are you interested in starting your own solar panel production business? Well, in this video, we will guide you through the production process and provide a market analysis of demand and supply. The foundation of renewable energy is solar energy. They are gadgets that use the photovoltaic effect to transform sunshine into power. Solar panels, which are constructed of many silicon solar cells, harness the energy of the sun and transform it into usable energy. Layers of semiconducting material, often silicon, placed between a front cover, back cover, and encapsulated material make up the basic structure of a solar panel. When sunlight strikes solar cells, it generates an electric field that permits electrons to flow freely inside the cells. Direct current, DC, electricity is produced by this movement of electrons. Solar energy systems, whether they are used for household, commercial, or utility-scale uses, must include solar panels. In business, the production procedure is essential because it affects the caliber and effectiveness of your solar panels. The procurement of required materials is the first stage of the production process. This contains the front cover, back cover, and encapsulate material in addition to the semiconducting material, which is often silicon. Make sure the materials you select are high quality and adhere to industry requirements. The actual production of the solar panels is in the following phase. To do this, silicon wafers are divided into solar cells, which are then put together into a panel and linked together in series to produce power. Every step of the production process must include quality control to guarantee that the panels meet performance and safety requirements. The panels are tested once made to ensure they produce the desired amount of electricity and operate efficiently. This entails taking measurements of the voltage and current output and testing the device's functionality in various lighting scenarios. You can make sure that your solar panels are dependable, effective, and long-lasting by following a clearly defined production process and upholding high-quality standards. The market for solar panels is anticipated to increase from $131.37 billion in 2022 to $282.4 billion in 2030, with a CAGR of 12.63%. Throughout the predicted period, 2022-2030. In 2021, the market size for solar panels was estimated to be $84.35 billion. The major principal market drivers for expansion are rising environmental pollution, declining prices for components like silver and polysilicon, and incentives and tax breaks provided by governments worldwide for installing PV panels. Near Project Consultancy Services, Npcs, can provide project reports. The report covers the manufacturing plant, detailed project report, profile, business plan, industry trends, market research, survey, manufacturing process, machinery, raw materials, feasibility study, investment opportunities, cost and revenue, and plant economics. The project report provided by Npcs gives a detailed market review.